Good morning, you guys. What's up, Pun Buns? It's your girl Amanda. Y'all already know, okay? Y'all, yesterday was my birthday, July the 2nd. And so I didn't vlog because we were on the road all day. The plan was to come to the cabin to fish and everything since I love fishing. And so we're in Georgia, and then my daughter's, Mia's birthday is Monday. So her grandmother wanted to throw her a big birthday bash. So we kind of put everything together and came to Georgia. So the kids are at their grandmother's house. We are at a cabin that my husband rented, and it's so beautiful and laid back, the lake view, everything. So yeah. But anyway, I wanted to share today with you guys. Yesterday was no point. Like I said, we were on the highway all day. So it was really no point. But today I'm going to try to vlog and get some footage for you guys. So as y'all can tell, my husband is playing music in the background downstairs. So it is what it is. YouTube, if you want to do your thing, okay? But I'm going to show these girls what's happening, all right? So anyway, let me get up and see what we're rolling with. why I told y'all I'm gonna get a vlog camera, okay? Because I'm about tired of these. Okay, so I need to brush my teeth. But anyway, so I did finish my hair. And it's a bobby pin sticking out over here, but I'm about tired of fighting with it. So yeah, and that's what it looks like. I am not doing makeup right now. I haven't worn makeup in a while until yesterday, which my birthday. But y'all, okay. So the Fancy foundation, the powder, yo, listen. Rihanna came through with that. When I tell you that shit is so good, like, listen. Girl. Okay, so listen. When I tell y'all that powder had my face looking, and I mean, listen, it had my face like butter, okay? Now, mind you, I was in a hurry. So I just put on some concealer under my eyes, did a little liquid, you know, did a little contour, not liquid, but cream. And went in with my powder, baby. It was like I had put on liquid foundation. So when I say, I'm gonna have to show y'all what I'm talking about, because listen, it's too good to be true. So anyway, y'all, put on my Black Girl sunscreen and be eyed, okay? Because even though the sun ain't out, the rays are. Okay. Okay. All right, y'all, let me get off of here so I can get my clothes on and get at it. Hey, husbands, I'm back. So we just left Walmart and from getting some stuff that we need for the cabin, and I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, and we're in a small town. We're in Dublin, Georgia, I think it's called. Dublin, Georgia. And so we stopped at a Dublin hunting and fishing service. So we need to get some more live bait. We bought some from Walmart, but you know, we kind of like to hit the bait shops to get the good stuff. So yeah, and we got a few more things that we need for fishing. The cabin is pretty much stocked with what we need, but we had to grab some extra stuff. And y'all, like, they have this place called Jack's Original Burgers or something like that. So we were looking online, and they have like slaw dogs and like the little burgers. If you know what Crystal's burgers are, then you'll know. So they have like Crystal style burgers, and we were gonna go in there, but then we saw like a picture on Google, and the patty was like this big and the bread was like that big around. No, I would be pissed off at Jackass. So we are waiting. I'm waiting on him to come out of the bait shop. Oh, he got crickets. Ugh, can't do it. So this guy right here. But yeah, so we are, and then we saw Mary's Fried Chicken or something. My husband is from Georgia. Well, he's from Georgia. That's what I'm trying to say. My husband's from Georgia. So it's like some place called Maryland's Fried Chicken or something. He says it looks like one of the original ones. So I don't know if we're gonna eat the fried chicken there, because you know I could mess up some fried chicken with some jalapeno peppers, baby. I can do that. But so we're trying to figure out which one. But one thing, what I was telling him, is what I love about when we go to like little small towns to go fishing and stuff, like they have the best food because their shit is like original. It's like little hole in the wall spots and stuff like that. And listen, if they got the good stuff, I'm all with it. So yeah, I'm just sitting on waiting on him to go out there to get the fishing, well, him to go in here to get the fishing stuff, and then we're gonna head back over to get something to eat real quick. So we stopped at a soul food spot here. I forgot what it was called, but anyway, we stopped at, I think it's like the only soul food spot here, and another little hole in the wall because we wanted some chitlins, but they were closed through the 15th, so I guess they're on vacation or something, but it is what it is. So yep, that's what we're doing. And I know I haven't vlogged much because I keep forgetting that I'm supposed to be vlogging. But yeah, so I will get back with you guys once we go and grab some food, okay? All right, y'all, so as I said, we are back at the cabin and I'm just chilling right now. Hubby's outside on the porch with his music playing. We're about to get ready to go fishing. We're just trying to take a break because we just got back. So I'm chilling. But y'all, when it, like, I'm very particular about where I stay. But like when it comes to like cabins on the lake and stuff like that, I obviously know they're not gonna be top tier or whatever, which is cool with me because I just love the fishing part of it. But the pictures of this place, they did no justice. It made it like it was like kind of run down, little shack type of thing. And I was cool with that as long as it had, you know, clean bed, and obviously I'm gonna wash the sheets anyway, but I was cool with that because I was ready to go fishing. And I like being off in the woods and the mountains and stuff. But y'all, when we got here, when I say they need to update their pictures because it does this place no justice. It is so beautiful out here. Like the woods are so crisp and beautiful and green. The dock is beautiful. The cabin is beautiful. Like it is just so serene out here. Like you can hear the birds chirping. It is just amazing. And it's that peace and quiet that I need from the craziness that I have had this year, y'all. So it's definitely beautiful. Only thing I don't like is there like no curtains on the windows, which in the day is fine, but at night I'm kind of like, who's that beeping in my window? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving the relaxation, the quietness, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, I just wanted to hit y'all up real quick before we go out here and go fishing. So I'll see y'all in a hot minute. All right, y'all, we are back in the cabin, and I had to buy another tripod because I forgot mine at home. So I got a tripod from Walmart. Excuse the counter. Hubby is getting the fishing stuff together. I had to bring my coffee. Y'all know how I am about a particular brand. So I brought that in order to, because I figured being the cabin wouldn't have like a Keurig. So I bought the bag coffee. My daughter bought me this for my birthday. So I love the color. It matches my work desk at home. And hubby is getting the cooler ready for out there on the deck. If you guys can see, let me see. Yeah, out there on the deck. So, I got my favorites from Walmart. So the Tostitos hint of lime chips, the restaurant style salsa. Let me fix my focus, y'all. The restaurant style salsa from Tostito and the medium kind. I like the restaurant style better than the chunky. Don't like the chunky much. Y'all know these are my favorites right here, but I saw that they have some new ones. So this is the key lime pie, which I love key lime pie. And I had an orange cream, but I don't like orange cream. Hubby grabbed him some water. I grabbed my favorite, M&M's, Coke Zero. And let's see, he put all the stuff away. So he grabbed him some Coronas. I'm guessing that's what that is. Corona Extra. I don't drink beer, so I don't know, y'all. Oh, this is our Longhorn from last night. And we're gonna warm up because the food that we had was trash. Hubby wanted some Cokes in the bottle. And let's see. He bought him some Body Armor. And my Coke Zero bottles are down there. Let's see. Yeah, he got the Cokes in a bottle, so. And then I grabbed me some wine to go with my filet. And this is the Cupcake Red Velvet. I've never had this before, but I'm gonna try it. And it's 13.5% alcohol base, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to try this when I warm up my filet. Because last night when we were on the road, we were so tired. We went out to eat, but I think he just did it off the strength that it was my birthday, and we really weren't hungry at all. We got some Malibu, some cream of coconut. I don't know, I'm trying to fix this focus, y'all. Cream of coconut. These are the minnows for fishing. And then I brought my creamer with me, which is my favorite, the coconut cream. And I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, and some bags of ice. All right, y'all, so I have put on my little swimming shirt that my hubby bought me. Cause his, my husband has his own line of swimming shirts. So we left his at home. So we had to go to Walmart and get theirs. But we just need the long sleeve shirts. So, you know, mosquito repellent type of thing. But anyway, I am about to put, let's see, let's get some light right here. I'm about to put this on to see if it worked. Buggy Bears mosquito repellent band. Yeah, who y'all done stabbed about to kill me. But anyway, I'm about to put this on and see. I bought some off, but I want to see if this worked first. So let's see. So of course, hubby got me the pink one. I can do that with one hand. So I'm gonna put it over here. Oh, it's definitely loud. Okay. So it says child friendly, use on your wrist or ankle. Mosquito repellent band. It says up to 300 hours somewhere, my husband said. Oh yeah, lasts up to 300 hours. So yeah, we shall see. I think I might put it on my ankle though. I don't know. But anyway, I got my tripod right here. Oh, I came up here to get the Raid so I could like spray around the floor for like ants and stuff. Yes, I do pack Raid, okay? I packed the microban. I packed the Lysol. Clorox wipes. Not playing with nobody. And here's the braid. So, and it says flying insect, but I don't know. It should work. We shall see. So, let's go, y'all. Look at Hubby coming back up. Y'all, your girl is out here looking crazy, okay? Oh my God, we've been out there all day. I was sitting in the sun, y'all, so I hope my forehead don't be black again like last time. But I'm in the house, and I'm two things that I don't want to be. Sweaty and hungry. I don't like that. So, I came in the house. Hubby is still out there. I think he's still out there fishing. But y'all, look at it. Look at my damn head. Look, I look like I've been in a damn fight. I don't think I've been fighting with his fish. Okay? I did catch some, though. I caught some pretty babies. Hubby did, too. But I'm hot. You know, we got these sleeves on to keep from being bit by mosquitoes and everything. So, let me get something to drink. And then I gotta go take a shower. And this right here, y'all, this is a little fire right here, okay? So, I mix coconut water, and pineapple juice. And so, I usually get the Goya coconut water without the pulp. But hubby grabbed this, and it's not what I wanted. So, I don't think I can mix this with pineapple juice. I don't know. I may try it and see. But it's pretty good by itself. So, yeah. Has a little aftertaste, but it's definitely good by itself. So, I need water. So, y'all, this is what I had to eat last night. The filet, loaded baked potato, grilled shrimp, and rice. I barely touched it. So, yeah, we're about to heat this up. So this is the before. Get a good look at it.